guys, I don't know if you didn't notice, but last week I missed the upload. Yikes! I'm sorry to inform you, but this channel is canceled. So I know I said I was gonna upload every single week, but I was in New York, I was gonna film a video, and then I didn't have time to film a video before I left, and then I didn't have a video for that week. Let's resume this normal upload schedule, shall we? I know this intro is gonna get long, because I want to talk about my hat, and I want to talk about uploading more videos, so the next like month or two, I really want to hit 1 million subscribers on this channel, so I want to upload more. Maybe like 2 times a week. If I upload 2 times a week, what days do you guys want me to upload? Right now I upload on Friday, maybe Saturday, or Sunday, maybe Monday. Comment below. Also, I got this hat for my birthday. I really love it. I wanted to wear it for a video because it's cute. It's like an off-white velour, like, you know, very luxurious. I love it. So today we are doing a Halloween wish haul. So I ordered everything about a month ago. And after I ordered, some of the things said that I would get them right before Halloween, like literally the day before Halloween. So those didn't make it in this video. So I'm gonna show you everything I have received so far. It's weird because I think everything from Wish is from China, but some things you get it in like a couple days, a week, and some things take over a month. And some things you don't get them at all. Let's be real, I ordered too many things to keep track. I'm gonna keep my stash behind me so I don't have to keep bending over to get them. First item we have here is Cosplay. Always gotta do some ASMR. I'm not sure if this is the Princess Jasmine or the Elsa. Oh, it's the Elsa. The snowflake was a dead giveaway. So we got this. Ooh, that's a long ass dress. So this is a size medium. I don't know if I ordered a size medium, but this is what I have now. But it looks like it's gonna fit. It's very like glittery. It looks pretty decent quality. I mean, I don't have any complaints about the quality. Usually the stuff I get from Wish, it's like paper. Wear it once, then throw it away. Like it won't even survive through the wash. But this seems pretty well made. It has very pretty embellishments, sparkly sheer sleeves. I think this might actually be really cute. And a legit costume. It's even got a cape. I gotta try this on. Let it go, let it go. I know this weave don't match you, ho. Let it go, let it go. Ain't no one dressed like me for Halloween anymore. Okay. So I couldn't find my other regular, my straight blonde weave. So this one gonna have to do because it's blonde, it's close enough. But this is actually very nice. She is very gorgeous to me. It is. Ooh, it got a slit. Elsa can be a little thotty. I don't remember this. But besides this being very itchy and very see-through, by the way, I looked in the mirror and that is not okay. I really like all the embellishments. The material is very nice. It's got a cape. The zipper in the back got caught, but I kind of like it how it's opened back like this. It's kind of cute. But yeah, very nice. So 2016, but whatever. It's very itchy. I mean, the itching kind of is going away now. Just kidding. I spoke too soon. But if it's well made, I mean, for the price, I think it's pretty good. Alright, next up we have, I'm sure this is the Jasmine costume, unless they sent me 2 Elsas. Whoa, look at that emerald. Oh, did it break? I really hope it didn't break off. Okay, so this is the top. Oh, this is very cute. It's like a off the shoulder. Let me hold this so you can see it. And the shirt is like this very nice satiny material. Please excuse my ratchet ass nails. And it's got a stretchy back. Ooh, I am liking this so far. This is adorable. I don't know if this fell off. It looks like it did, but it looks like you could attach it back on. Oh, there's a headband. And here is the skirt. Very cute. I think this was just an extra one because the pants have one and the top has one. I think they just sent you an extra one in case it falls off and you lose it. Oh, stretchy waist. Oh, this would be perfect if this was high-waisted. This might actually be my Halloween costume. I really like this. Like, this is just as good as quality as you would get from the Halloween store, if not better. I really love the pants, how it's just this beautiful satiny material and it's very soft. I just really hope it fits. I got a size medium just in case. Oh my god, guys, can we talk about how cute this costume is? I just took a bunch of pictures with it. The only thing that's wrong with it is I gotta be be careful because this part is not connected to this part and it keeps falling off. So I would probably wear a bra or some stick-on or something, because if you're gonna wear this and do any kind of activity, the top will 100% fall down. So I forgot that Jasmine actually has the thing on her head, so I attached it to the headband and there we go. I really love this. Like, this is super cute. I don't think I've ever worn like a Disney princess costume before, and this is like my first one and I'm like freaking out, okay? But yeah, so here it is. The satin pants are really good. I'm glad I got a medium. So I guess the pants do run a little small, but the top is just like really awkward and it's just really cute. I like how it's high-waisted. I mean, Jasmine's is like kind of high-waisted, but not really, but yes. I love it. Over here, we got a new weave. She's a unicorn. Not nearly as luxurious as Jessica. Oh, guys, by the way, if you want me to make a wig video, trying on all my wigs, make sure you leave a like. What should we call her? She got ears. She got a unicorn horn. It's pretty cute. She just look a little cheap. Like 99-cent cheap. She ain't silky smooth like Jessica. Maybe I'll call her Ashley, because she a basic bitch. No offense to any Ashleys, I'm sure you're wonderful people. Just this specific Ashley. She looked like the damn Frappuccino. But the horn looks nice. It is glued in place. It is a very sturdy, thick, with 3 C's. And the ears are very cute. Oh, that's about to come out. If I yanked that a little harder, Ashley would have only had 1 ear. Shall we try her on? Okay! Okay, Ashley. Okay. It's alright. It ain't the worst thing in the world. Here we have a... what is it called? Mermaid. A mermaid tail. Or is it a dress? I can't tell. I think it's just a tail. So it's just a skirt. Wow, this looks horrible. This honestly looks nothing like the picture. It just looks like a really poorly made skirt. It looks like a budget Tinkerbell. This doesn't look like a mermaid. No siree. Let's try it on though. Oh my god, a real life mermaid. Literally 1 minute into wearing this and I already have a rash all over my back. This would also work if you're pregnant because, you know, there's like so much space here. I think it's supposed to be high-waisted like this. Well, this is just way too itchy for anybody to wear. Okay, so you can only see either the bottom of this or the top. Why is this chair? Was this chair here the whole time? Man, rude. Get the hell out of here. We trying to do a video. I mean, this chair's okay, but y'all gotta go. My room ain't big enough for this. I mean, it doesn't look horrible on camera, but I don't know. It ain't as bad as this. I mean, maybe this could be cute, but it's just extremely itchy. Oh, it's hot now. It's very hot. I gotta air this out or something. Ooh! Ain't nobody want sweaty cooch on Halloween. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it. I can barely move my legs in it, too. It's too hot, and this weave, it ain't it. The next one is probably my favorite because I tried this on already. I couldn't wait. It's just way too cute. So this is a bat. This is the hood. It's got a bat hood on it. And then it's got wings. It's got wings as sleeves. I am living for this, and it is a bodysuit. Bodysuit with shorts, hood, and wings. Such an easy costume, and it's so comfortable, and it's so cute and soft. I love it. I am living. Oh my god, can we talk about this? I love this. So cute, so soft. The only complaint is that it kind of needs to be ironed or something, because you know when I got it shipped, it was like all folded up and then the wings are kind of bent. But if you like straighten them out, it would be perfect. Can you guys see my hood? Look how damn cute this is. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Swiggity swoogity, I'm coming for that booty. Surprise all your friends with hugs. I mean, this is perfect for me just because I love being comfy all the time, and this is gonna be the most comfortable Halloween costume by far. Bats don't dab. Whoa! Be careful you don't knock down with these. Oh, this is the last one. I'm sad. This is an off-brand Harley Quinn. This is kind of, I don't know, I feel like I have to put it on because I don't know which way is which. There's the dress. Okay, I don't know how this goes. Okay, there's a zipper, so I'm guessing the zipper is in the back. Okay, it looks like a mess now, but maybe it'll be nicer when I put it on. And again, it's like a really nice satiny material. I do love me some satin, and it comes with a, oh, it's a hood. It's like a vest hood thing. Cute. So I like the idea of this one. The skirt is really cute. There's the corset in the front and corset in the back. I can't really do the corset in the back unless I took it off, did it, and then put it back on, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I kind of just tied it, and then it made the one in the front super tight because I only did one of the corsets, and now it looks all bunchy and ugly. But I feel like if you actually did the corset how you're supposed to, this would be just fine and cute. And I like the material. It's very light, especially if you're in Arizona and it is hot as hell in here. I forgot we got a hood. Let's try this out. Oh, okay. So this is it. Off-brand Harley Quinn. I mean, this could totally be on-brand. I like it. It's very cute. And the quality isn't bad either. I like how this skirt is so much longer in the back and it's shorter in the front. That makes it so much easier, so you don't like every time you bend over it's like whoop. Yep, here it is. Yes. Oh, this is bugging me. It's just so bunchy up here. Okay, so it's supposed to be like that. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below which one was your favorite, and let me know what you're gonna be doing for Halloween. If you guys want more videos, make sure you hit that like button in the face, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.